In this video, I want to demonstrate how to split this hole table into several hole tables. The reason I want to do that is I would like all the tapped holes together and all the slots together. So to split a table, I want to split between the A2 and the B1 cell first. I'm going to move my mouse over here and right click, move down and choose split. And I'm going to say horizontally below. I'll do that again between the B and C. So move my mouse here, right click, tell it to split horizontally below. And one last time, I'll do it right here. I'll right click, select split, horizontally below. So now I have essentially 4 hole tables. Here's my D and E slot. This is all my B slots. I have my M3 tapped holes and my quarter 20 tapped holes. Now I'd like my tapped holes together. So first I'm going to drag this up here and just lock it right there. So they look together. Now it would be nice if I could combine these two tables, but there's not a really easy way to do that. If I go up here to the A tag and I right click and I come down and I select merge with next, it's going to bring the B's back in below. It's just going to put the table back in the order it was. So I'm going to Control Z and undo that. And then I'm going to move this over here, and I could leave it like this where I have a slot table and a hole table. Or I could drag these up and make it look as if I have one table for all slots and holes.